Hello friends, I am Pramod Gorad. Welcome to my channel Mindset IT Practical.
Hello friends, so today we are going to see a practical number 6. Say, write a Python program to read the last n line of the file. That means whenever the user enter the for last n lines, the program will be display a last n lines. Okay, so here a sample file we are going to use as a multiple line. The multiple line have a content a Python to support the file handling and allow user to handle the files, etc. Up to the second last statement is quote W is write open a file for writing and create a file if it is does not exist, and the last statement is X is create the specified file returning an error if the file is exist. Okay, so this was the actual file we are going to use in the program. Okay, so let's open your Python 3.4.0 and start with writing to the file. So it is a multiple line code. We have to open a file, new file, and write the program. To start with, first statement we are creating the object to open the file in read mode. Why it is read mode? Because we don't require to write anything into the file. Okay, as question is asked only for the read the last n line. So here we use x is equal to open is an inbuilt function that will be used to access the file as per the given file name and with the mode of the file. Okay, then we use a line variable so that x dot read line, again inbuilt function, is used to read all the content of the file and put it into the line. Okay, then we use a number, that is num, to take the input from the user. That user want how many line that program can be executed display on a screen, last n line. So for that we use a num variable, and it is defined using a integer typecasting, as it is a numeric value we are going to taking from the user. So typecast will be int, and the user defined function taking the value using a input function. The statement is enter how many lines to show from the last. Okay, the user will enter something into the number, and then we use a last underscore line variable equal to line of minus num colon. So minus num colon will be used to read all last n lines from the given line. Here are the all the lines are there, and this statement line square bracket inside that minus num will be used to read the last n line. If you are indicating as 3, so it will be read minus that is last 3 lines. Okay, now we use a for loop. Okay, now last line has a number of lines. Now we use a for loops to display one by one line. So for I in a last line, print I, and then last main x dot close. Save the program and run the module. It will ask enter how many lines to show from the last. So we enter the 3. So 3 become what? As we have already seen in this file, last statement is a x, then w, then a, that is a append. So here in output we get similar way last 3 lines. We again execute the program, and we write 5. So here 5 lines x, w, a, r, and the each line of the code. So these are the last 5 lines from the given multiple line files. So this is how this program will be used to display a last n line in a Python. Thank you for watching. Keep learning.